Well, man. It's my Pinky. This is my broski. Not right. Yeah. Yeah. What's up? So right, we got show a little bit of beatboxing and rapping. You know what I mean? Okay. How you doing? Drop. Yeah. How you doing? I see you down there in that little footstep. Okay. Alright. So I guess we're ready for it. Alright, let's go. Alright. Yeah, the name is Matt, no time for school. Coming at me, boy, I'm gonna treat him like a fool. Yeah, they know it well. These are shows they can tell, no doubt. I'm gonna deal, hitting up zero for the food. Double trees, no doubt. Love for my people up there. Okay, here we go. Give me a beat, come on, let's roll. It doesn't matter. It's my turn now. Hey, I'm Pinky, and you know what's cool? The fact I can rap like Lil Wayne, yeah. ×2. As I'm listening to me, you can probably gather that I'm just as good as Marshall Mathers. If you do not know who that is, you should probably Google, because you'll find it's Eminem, you stupid fool. Gangsta.